Hi YouTube, I'm here with a quick outfit of the day. Just going out to get some lunch and then go hang out with my girls. So yeah, it's just a casual outfit. Makeup is really simple. I just have mascara, wing liner, bite of an apple on my cheeks, and then I have on Good Times on my lips. Jewelry, I just have on these simple red spiral earrings. This owl ring that I believe I got from Forever 21. This red watch. And this bag that I got from Shoe Dazzle, and I got it several months ago. I got it sometime in the middle of last year. This top I got from Nordstrom's Rack, and it's just like an oatmeal color. It has yellow, red, blue, brown, like a tribal print with some fringe all the way around it. And then I just have on my green leggings, not leggings, skinny jeans with my taupe sandals that I got from DSW you've seen many times before. And that is it. My hair, I just used the curling wand and threw some curls in it. Nothing really else. That's about it. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.